How are
Hi.
you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And you?
I'm fantastic.
Oh, wow. Great.
Well,
And
what's
where?
your I'm from the United States. The United States.
Great.
Where are you
And
from?
my name is Indrajit and I'm from India.
Okay, very cool. What part?
Yeah.
Mumbai
It is from
or
eastern part. That is,
eastern
I
part?
I live in the state name is West Bengal. And
Okay,
the city
awesome.
name is Kolkata. Do you heard about it?
Kolkata. I don't think so. I don't think
Oh,
so.
it is popular city and also big city, busy city like New York
Uh-huh.
or Texas.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Wow. Okay, well, nice to meet you,
Nice
Indrajit.
to meet you.
Yeah, my name's Erin. Like I said, I'm from the United States. So,
Oh, and can you say that what is the meaning of Erin?
Erin?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I think it's from Ireland, like an Irish
Oh,
name.
yeah,
Yeah,
maybe.
but it's pretty common here in the United
Yeah,
States.
nice
Pretty
name.
common.
Nice name.
Thank you. So do
And
you speak Hindi then?
yeah,
Or what's your native
I,
language?
I speak Bengali mostly because my regional language is Bengali, and
Right.
also can speak Hindi and also English.
Okay, very cool. So how
Yeah,
long have you learned English?
since my childhood, but I love
Uh,
learning English and I want to sharpen my spoken English skill. So that's why I switched to Cambly.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Have you
Yeah.
ever been to the United States or any other English speaking countries?
No, not at all. But it is my dream to travel there, USA or UK.
Okay, you can someday, right?
Yeah. And have you visited India before?
No, but if I
Oh,
do
you should
visit,
visit.
where
Yeah.
should I go? Where should I go?
That is first choice is Mumbai, then Delhi, Kolkata also, and many other places because India has diversity and a lot of visiting spots are available here.
Yeah.
Rajasthan, South, whatever you want.
Okay. I want to
And
visit the Taj Mahal.
yeah,
Taj
you
Mahal.
know that the seventh miracle of the world, that is Taj
Yeah,
Mahal,
yeah.
is
So
situated.
beautiful.
Yeah,
So
it's really
beautiful.
beautiful. It's really beautiful. And I
Have you
want to say
been?
that not at all, but
No.
in the next year I have a plan for visiting there
Oh,
after
okay, yeah.
the pandemic and after my graduation because only 1 year left to become graduate. So I am thinking so.
Okay, yeah, hopefully you can. And
Yeah.
then you can tell me all about it.
Oh yeah, sure. And I want to say that it's really awesome and whatever I know about it, the Taj Mahal is really beautiful and you know that I think the the king of Mughal emperor situated
Right.
at build this Taj Mahal and it is really a miracle like
Yeah, yeah, it's really stunning.
yeah,
Stunning.
really stunning, yeah, attractive and also stunning.
Yeah, for sure. So, for you, if you could visit one English speaking country, where would you go?
That is first choice is California, then
California?
Texas.
Yay, America!
Oh,
Woo!
yeah, exactly. And next is London.
London, yeah. Do you like the British accent?
I prefer most American, but yeah, exactly. And
Yay!
British, but I prefer most American accent.
Wow, okay. Yeah, very good. You know, in
And
America, we have
yeah,
many different accents as well
oh,
because it's so big. So big.
oh, I see. And is that city do you live?
Do you know Virginia? Virginia? No? Okay. What about Washington, D.C.?
Oh yeah, I know that.
Virginia is right below Washington.
Oh, I
It's a
see.
very historical state. Very historical.
Oh wow, so
Yeah.
great. And what do you do before? Beside teaching English on Cambly?
Yeah, so just mainly Cambly right now. You know,
Oh,
it's very flexible, so I enjoy doing
exactly,
Cambly.
and it's amicable, and also, yeah, I want to say that it is very comfortable, but in this during pandemic situation.
Yeah, that as well. You know, I don't have to go out and be around people. You know,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. What is your degree?
My degree, education. You know, and then I have my TEFL certification, and
Oh.
then I'm working on my IELTS certification.
Oh, you are working for that.
Yes, yes. So.
Okay. And
Yeah.
yeah,
What do you work? Do you work? Or are you a
No,
student?
yeah, I am studying an engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So,
Oh wow.
yeah, so after my BTech, I want to some decent job. So that's why I want to sharpen my spoken English skill as well.
Yeah, that sounds complicated. Is it difficult studying
No.
the subject, or is it easy
No.
for you?
Actually, the whole syllabus and the whole study is full of English medium. So that's why there is no problem when I write English. But sometimes I get stuck and right word does not come in the right situation in the right time. So that's why I want to practice my spoken English skills and I want to communicate with others in English.
Okay. Yeah. Do a lot of people in your city know English?
Yeah, but does not speak English. So that's the main problem.
Oh,
And
okay.
I cannot get the surrounding of English. So that's why I switched to Cambly.
Gotcha. Are any of your friends or your family good English speakers?
Generally not, but sometimes they want to speak English with me so that my English would be would be grow up. So that's why they want to speak English with me sometimes.
Okay. So you do have some people to practice with, but they're not really what you need.
Exactly.
Wow. So what do you feel like you struggle with the most when speaking English?
Yeah, sometimes I have no word or I have no right word to speak in the right time, and sometimes I get stuck and I am thinking that what to do and what to talk next. Yeah, so it is really embarrassing to me at the first, but after a lot of practice, so it may be fluent, and also using Cambly, it is really beneficial for me.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad it's helping, you know. And you know, the best way to help get rid of those awkward situations is just to practice speaking like we are now.
Exactly.
And that'll be the best help for you. So
yeah, and I know that practice is the key for success. So
exactly. Practice more, right?
Yeah.
So
and what are the things that make you happy or make your face smiling?
What puts a smile on my face, right?
Yeah.
Well, obviously, I love using Cambly very much, you know.
Wow. And yeah, it is really awesome because we know that a lot of new cultures from different places, and because meeting new people is my another hobby, so that's why it is really awesome.
Oh, for sure. And plus, I get to learn about all new different people and different cultures. For example, Diwali. Are you celebrating Diwali now?
Recently I have been celebrating Diwali, and during this pandemic, so the governor restricted the using and the fireworks, lighting the fireworks. So that instead of fireworks, we can light some oil lamp.
An oil lamp, okay, like the kind that float upwards.
Candles and also candles.
Wow, yeah. So how have you celebrated Diwali so far?
Yeah, yesterday we celebrated Diwali and we light some oil lamps and also candles, and some getting some uh, some memories and some pictures with candles and oil lamps.
Yeah.
Just click and yeah, capture some beautiful scenes, beautiful moments
Yeah, how
with my family.
nice. Very nice. Yeah, actually, in the United States, we have a similar holiday coming up called Thanksgiving. Have you
Oh,
heard?
Thanksgiving! I have from Cambly Tutor.
Yeah. So we all meet and have a big feast and just spend time with family.
Oh, and your family most probably cook some big meal
Yeah.
for Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
I
huge
know
meal.
that.
Just we all eat together and give thanks for what we have.
Oh, Thanksgiving, yeah. And how do you celebrate in your birthday? By the way, when your is birthday? When is your birthday?
December.
So it is coming soon.
Yeah, so exciting.
So exciting, yeah.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
And how do you?
How do I celebrate? Usually, just have cake and presents. Nothing super big, especially with the pandemic,
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, do you invite some friends of you?
Yeah, mostly my family, I think. Just the people close to me, really. So.
And you are really cute.
Thank you. You're pretty cute yourself. So then, when you graduate from university, do you want to stay in your city and work, or would you like to go abroad and work?
Yeah, if I get a chance for going abroad, then I definitely go for that. Otherwise, I continued my study and as MTech. MTech means Master of Technology.
Right. So you want to continue studying even more? Wow, that's so impressive.
Yeah. And if I get a chance to get a job, so then I definitely move for that.
Okay, awesome. So then, what made you decide to want to get into technology and engineering?
Because the world is going to be digital and 5G is coming soon, and I have a interest from my childhood in technology, so that's why I should choose for it. And I want to make my career through this.
Wow, okay. Very cool. So then, besides from studying, what do you do for fun?
In my free time, I paint something or some landscape. Because my other hobby is painting. So I use watercolor to paint, and a lot of sceneries of rural or urban I use.
Wow, that's so nice, painting. Do you use watercolors or pastels, or what kind of painting?
Watercolor. I use watercolor.
Wow. Do you have any paintings nearby that I can see?
No, but it is far away, but next time I will. Oh, don't worry, man.
Yeah, next time you have to show me. Yeah.
Okay. And it is. Oh, yeah.
Pardon? Continue.
Yeah, my time is running out, so it was really lovely to meet you.
You as well.
And I will definitely make another reservation to you.